The Magistrate Court sitting in Wuse has on Friday remanded Professor Zainab Duke Abiola in Suleja Correctional Facility over assault on Teju Moses, police attached to her. The legal practitioner and human rights activist alongside her domestic staff, Rebecca Enechido, who was arrested on Thursday, were arraigned over alleged cases of criminal conspiracy, culpable homicide, breach of trust, and causing criminal hurt without provocation. The defense counsel Hassan Yusuf urged the court to grant his client bail on grounds of health condition. Reacting to this in her ruling, the magistrate, Elizabeth T. Wuni, citing Section 277 of the Penal Code, stated that the offense by the defendant is a non-bailable case. While addressing the journalist after the court session, the prosecution counsel, Stanley Ifeanyi Nwafuaku, said,
Procedural laws, and there are substantive laws, which seems not to be agreeing with each other. The substantive law under which we arraign the defendant expressly stated that the courts have jurisdiction, but the court, in his wisdom, further consults other laws, which seems to state the otherwise. But finally, we relied on the Penal Code law, which expressly gave the court jurisdiction to entertain this case. That's one of the offense there, which is attempted culpable homicide. That was the only offense that we have been battling with regards to the jurisdiction.
So do you
but the court was a bit convinced with the substantive law, and that was why the arraignment took place today. And that same substantive law states that the offense is not bailable. I'm talking about Section 229 of the Penal Code law, which provides for offense of attempt to commit culpable homicide. It was expressly stated under the procedure that it is not bailable. And that same procedure conferred jurisdiction on the Chief Magistrate Court to entertain the case.
However, the defense counsel stated he is optimistic that his client will get justice.
It's not all the time you come to court and get what you want. And this is just one other case. The judge considered the circumstances of the case and decided one way or the other. She decided on her discretion. It's within her powers to do so. My expectations are that justice will be served. My client is innocent. I know she is innocent. There are allegations, but we will see the outcome at the end of the trial.
Recalling in this viral video on Thursday, the police officer was seen sitting on the floor and asking to be taken to the hospital for proper treatment while bleeding. The late Chief M.K.O Abiola's wife was said to have instructed her maids to manhandle the orderly over her refusal to execute domestic chores. The court therefore adjourned to October 5th, 2022 for the next hearing.